The buzz around Nothing Phone 3 is reaching new heights, and for good reason. Rumors suggest that not one but 3 new devices are in active development, so fans have plenty to be excited about. According to Yogesh Brar, Nothing is currently actively developing 3 new phones. These devices are expected to launch during the first half of 2025, giving fans plenty to anticipate in the coming months. First up, the spotlight naturally falls on the much-anticipated sequel to last year's model. Leaks indicate that this upcoming device will carry forward the brand's signature transparent look while pushing the boundaries in terms of hardware. Geekbench listings reveal a model with the number A059, believed to be the latest addition to the lineup. The device scored 1,149 in single-core tests and 2,813 in multi-core tests, hinting at solid performance. It's said to be powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor paired with an Adreno 810 GPU and 8 GB of RAM. Another exciting leak hints at multiple RAM options, which could cater to varying user needs. But that's not all. According to a tweet by Ravi Kumar, recent Geekbench listings have shed light on key details about the upcoming devices. One model is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 2 chipset, while another, likely the Pro variant, is expected to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor. The Pro version is also said to have 2 distinct code names, a 059 and a 059P, suggesting possible variations within the series. Codenamed Hisuian, this variant could also boast a larger 6.7-inch display compared to the base model's rumored 6.5-inch screen, codenamed Arcanine. Both versions are expected to maintain the clean and minimalistic Nothing OS, this time based on Android 15. Another interesting detail comes from the IMEI database, where model numbers A059 and A059P were recently spotted. This aligns with the speculation that both standard plus variants are in the pipeline. These devices are also rumored to sport high-quality displays, with the base model possibly featuring a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. The excitement doesn't stop with these 2 devices. A third handset is rumored to be in active development, which could be a more affordable addition to the lineup. Some reports suggest this could be a mid-range option positioned below the flagship and Pro variants. There's even talk of a light version that might cater to budget-conscious users, potentially under the name 3A or something similar. If the leaked details are accurate, the series will stay true to its aesthetic roots. The signature transparent design, already a hallmark of the brand, is expected to make a return. This could also extend to innovative touches like glow-in-the-dark elements, though this remains purely speculative for now. On the hardware front, reports are coming thick and fast about other potential features. Digital Chat Station suggests the inclusion of an action button, a new addition that could expand customization options. While nothing official has been confirmed about this, it's a detail that certainly caught the attention of fans and tipsters alike. Beyond that, a robust combination of hardware and software seems to be the focus of this series, as the brand aims to blend performance with its unique aesthetic. Moving on to AI, the company's co-founder Carl Pei has already teased a redefined smartphone experience powered by smarter AI interactions. Though details remain under wraps, this could translate to advanced software features complementing the hardware. It's one of the reasons the launch of the main flagship was delayed to 2025, as Pei emphasized the importance of seamless integration of AI capabilities. As for the launch timeline, multiple reports suggest that all 3 devices could make their debut within the first half of 2025. The base model is expected to be priced around $599, while the Pro variant could retail at $699. The mid-range or budget model if it exists, is likely to come in at a lower price point, making it an appealing option for a broader audience. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more updates.